Olushola Okonju is a small-scale business owner in Jos, a city located in Nigeria's Plateau State. But keeping the business going means he sometimes has to take loans from online lenders.
At the time I was short of cash in my business, the loan apps it came true for me actually, because when I go to the app, though the fact that I've been using the app, so immediately I made an advance of getting some cash from them. They gave me, you get, so which I was able to put into my business. But you know how business is now. It's not that because you borrowed money and put into it doesn't mean that the money will come back as you expected.
Millions of other Nigerians like Akonji also subscribe to the lending applications. According to online data platform Nairametrics, there are at least 25 million subscribers to lending applications in Nigeria. People who intend to borrow, usually with an interest, would need to install and sign up, and then select the sum they want to get and the appropriate interest rate and connect their bank accounts.
Money is the life wire of any economy that you know. When you go to conventional banks, you are required to bring item 1, 2, 3. There are a lot of requirements that are so cumbersome that are making it so difficult for would-be investors, would-be businessmen to access capital. So the online platform has given that leverage for those ones who are doing small businesses, those businesses that can use 100,000 and do it and so on and so forth, or to add up, or just to add up to a gap that you have in funding so that you'll be able to now carry out the business, before you now pay back.
Many Nigerians are looking to borrow from the digital apps as a way to sustain a livelihood, with unemployment in the country projected to hit over 40% this year. Economic analysts are calling on the government to monitor their operations against exploitation.
It is a free economy. You can come in and do your business, but there should be a regulation. Some of these online platforms, online lending platforms, tend to exploit the people. Because you can see you borrow 70,000 naira, 100,000 naira at the interest rate of 40%. For 1 month, you borrow 100,000 and you pay 140,000 within 1 month.
The government says it's keeping an eye on the online lending platforms. Nigeria's Competition and Consumer Protection Commission says it has brought the lending apps under the provisions of the Limited Interim Regulatory Framework and Guidelines for Digital Lending, which is aimed at regulating their operations. That should help protect Nigerians like Akonji from being exploited by the lending applications and also contributes to Nigeria's economic growth. Tassim Akende, CGTN Jos.